And we are at a place in this country on this dear Monday morning when we now face the reality that in this national crisis, there are those who are deliberately targeting people like you to feed lies, disinformation. And when that is mixed with the genuine needs out there, it becomes extremely toxic. Extremely toxic. Yeah? And we have to deny, dismiss, counter that piece of nastiness taking place. It is toxic and it is not helpful. Sir, there was some reporting about a year and a half, 2 years ago, based on a comment from an official of JAMP, the Jamaica Accountability Meter Portal, JAMP, about missing trillions.